Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is debbyoje. If you're new and haven't seen any of my old videos, do me a quick favor, go down below and smash up the red subscribe button. And while you're there, don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Today's video is going to be a very interesting one because I'm bringing you back to my alma mater, guys. I'm standing in the middle of the University of Birmingham. This is where I received my law degree, and I'm so nostalgic being here. I actually came here to do my second degree in law, which is the LLB for Graduates program, and I graduated about 3 years ago now, which is a long time. Anyways, today I'm going to be showing you my 5 favorite places in the University of Birmingham. So if you've never been here, I'm about to give you some tea on this university and the nice places that are in this university. First of all, we're starting with Old Joe, guys. Oh my god, this is actually the Joseph Chamberlain Memorial Clock Tower, and it's fondly called Old Joe by many of the students and lecturers here. It was actually constructed in the 1900s, and guys, this clock tower glows. Have you ever seen a clock tower that glows? Wow. Like, there have been rumors that like if students walk under the clock tower while it's chiming, they will fail their degree. I've never tested it. I don't know who's ever tested it, and I'm not trying to know, but it's a very iconic clock tower. It is also rumored to be the inspiration for the Eye of Sauron in Lord of the Rings. So if you watch that movie, say thanks to Old Joe. So Old Joe is also the tallest freestanding clock tower in the world, and is one of the 50 tallest buildings in the entire world. Like, can you believe that? It actually has an asteroid named after it. This clock tower is an iconic structure in the university that can be seen from miles. And once you hear the University of Birmingham, the next thing people ask you is, have you seen Old Joe? So I've introduced you guys to Old Joe now, so I know that you know Old Joe. We're going to be heading off to my second most iconic building or place in the university, and I'll see you guys when we get there. Wow guys, you won't believe it. We're now inside the Grammy Museum building, and this building means a lot to me, even though I didn't study music, because while I was at the university, I worked with the regular giving student fundraisers, and I was part of the team of students who was able to raise the money for them to actually build this place. Can you believe it? Like, I got people to donate money for them to build this place. It's amazing. I can't believe it sometimes myself, because when I look at this building, I'm just like, when I started at university, Grandma was not here, but now it's here, and I was the reason that happened, or I was part of the reason that happened. So yeah, this is my number 2 iconic structure in the University of Birmingham. So the Grandma building was actually named after Liz and Terry Grandma, who were the major donors for this project, and they actually have a charitable foundation called the Liz and Terry Grandma Foundation, which is amazing. Apparently Terry Grandma was actually a student of this university many years ago. I don't think I was even born when he was a student. But yeah guys, really exciting to know that there are places like this with so much history in the university. Let's move on to the third place now. is where my heart is. This is home for me. This is where I spent my 2 years studying at the university, and it's so nostalgic for me being here right now. This law building has held a lot of my memories. I remember I was a law student mentor in my second year, and that was amazing. Just meeting first year students and kind of being able to guide them through their experience at the law school is beautiful. Also, the resources at the law school is amazing. Like, I remember the Harding Law Library that was demolished, and it became a study space because they were trying to promote modern study experiences for students, which I thought was amazing. But I didn't get to experience that because it was done the year I was leaving anyway. But then the Kepler and the pro bono services as well, like those were actually really, really memorable. So yeah, and also the Holsworth Club. Oh my God, if you weren't a member of the Holsworth Law Club and you studied here, what are you doing, son? What are you doing? What are you doing? Anyways, yeah, so this is the law building. I'll take you guys around and show you what is really inside this building. But yeah, this is my third most memorable place at the university. So let's go inside. This is the reception. This is basically where you get all your information about the law school, classes, lectures, stuff, just anything you need, they will be able to answer you. Upstairs, we have the actual lecture rooms. Shh, gosh, oh my God, guys, photos. Photos of all the law classes. Oh my gosh, maybe you can actually find my class. To my left and to my right, you see lecture rooms. That's just what we have here. Here's a little common room where students can sit and wait for their lectures as well. Still going up. Oh my God, guys, look at me. I'm right here, guys. Look at me. Guys, look at me. I'm in the picture. Oh my gosh, I'm actually so happy. So yeah, that's basically it for the law school. Yes, I'm just going to show you guys what is going on there if they're not having classes. Let's be very quiet. Alright guys, so we're at my fourth most iconic place at the University of Birmingham, and this is the library. This is actually the new library. The old library used to be there, but it's been demolished and it's now been made into a green space. So this is where I did all my studying at the university. They have amazing group study rooms, silent study rooms, the books in here. Wow, old Joe, guys, we just had old Joe chime in. Ojo is telling us the time. Anyway, we're not speaking about Ojo right now. We're speaking about the library, and the library is extremely beautiful, guys. It's so organized. Like, it's one of the places where I literally lived. That could have been my accommodation for all UK at the university. I had a good time there, studying with my friends and just, researching and doing everything I needed to do to receive my degree, which I eventually did, if I do say so myself. But yeah, guys, this is the university library, and as you can see, like, it's such an architectural masterpiece. The library was constructed, I think, in 2016. It was finished in 2016, I believe. Yeah, definitely. It was finished in 2016, and that's when we started using it. And ever since then, it's been up and standing and serving a lot of students. You can see people going in and coming out of the library because you need the library. Yeah, guys, I'm going to take you to the fifth most important place to me at the university, and that's the university center. It's really nearby and it's raining, guys. Can't believe I'm filming this video for you in the rain. You have to give me a thumbs up for this. last place I wanted to show you guys. The university center is just basically a hub for like uni students to like meet and just chat, have lunch. They have a lot of like food places around here. They also have a supermarket. This is where the International Students Advisory Service used to be, and the International Students team. This is also where the Avon room is, which is where I had all my lectures in first year. So it does bring back a lot of memories. This is just where a lot of students meet up before and after their lectures, just to kind of have some lunch, eat a bit of food, have fun, enjoy them. So that's why there's a lot of noise around. If you can hear any noise, please excuse it. Alright guys, so I'm walking now, and there are a few other memorable spots at the university that I didn't show you, but I mean they're not that memorable to me. But I mean, there's the Aston Webb building, and there's a new gym, and there's like actually a lot of stuff. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you really enjoyed seeing my 5 favorite places in the university. If you do study at the University of Birmingham, or you studied here before, please leave me a comment down below and tell me what your favorite places are in the university. And if you're seeing the university for the first time, let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you like it. Let me know, just anything, any questions you have, leave them down for me in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and also click that bell button so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Okay, bye.